In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Udemy course in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're no longer interested in a course or perhaps you've completed it and want to tidy up your learning dashboard, unenrolling from a Udemy course can be done simply and quickly. Let's get started. First up, you're going to need to log into your Udemy account. Head over to the Udemy website and look for the login link at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. For those of you who use Google to sign into websites, you'll find this next step a breeze. On the login page, there's an option to sign in using the Google icon. If you've been using your Google account to access Udemy, this will streamline your login process significantly. Click on the Google icon. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. This step is particularly straightforward if you only have one Google account or you're already signed into your preferred account. Just select the account you wish to use and you'll proceed to the next step. Now, assuming you're successfully logged in, it's time to locate the course you want to unenroll from. To do this, navigate to the My Learning section of your account. This section houses all the courses you're enrolled in, providing quick and easy access. Once there, find the course you're looking to leave. Each course on your list will have 3 dots located somewhere on the course tile. This is typically on the top right corner. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a menu of options related to that specific course. It's here where you'll find various actions you can take, but for our purpose today, we're interested in one option in particular, Archive. Clicking on Archive effectively removes the course from your active learning dashboard. It's worth noting, archiving a course doesn't delete your progress. Should you choose to re-enroll or revisit the course materials, your progress will be waiting for you right where you left off. This feature is perfect for maintaining a clean and organized learning environment, especially if you're someone who enrolls in multiple courses. A couple of things to keep in mind. Archiving a course on Udemy is different from unenrolling. While Udemy does not provide a direct way to unenroll from courses in a way that removes them completely from your account or enables a refund, archiving is a neat way to manage your courses. Additionally, if you're considering this option because you're unsatisfied with a course, remember Udemy's 30-day refund policy, which might be a more suitable route for you. So to recap, you'll start by logging into your Udemy account either directly or via Google, navigate to My Learning, select the course, click on the 3 dots, and then choose to archive the course. This quick series of steps will help declutter your course list, allowing you to focus more on the content that matters most to you at this time. Remember, learning is a journey that sometimes takes us down paths we didn't anticipate. Whether a course no longer aligns with your goals, or you're simply looking to focus on other learning materials, managing your course list effectively is an essential part of that journey. By archiving the courses you're no longer active in, you keep your learning space tidy and distraction-free, ensuring you're only focusing on the content that benefits you the most. Now you know how to manage your Udemy courses better by archiving the ones you're no longer focusing on. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep in mind that learning how to navigate and tailor your online learning environment is key to making the most out of these platforms. Happy learning and see you in the next video.